Realme's upcoming mid-range phone, the Realme 15 Pro 5G, has just appeared in a leaked hands-on video. The phone is set to launch on July 24th in India. The Realme 15 Pro will be available in 3 colors: flowing silver, velvet green, and silk purple. On the back, the 15 Pro 5G sports a dual-camera setup, arranged vertically in 2 separate rings. The device is equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 OIS camera and a 2-megapixel monochrome lens on the back. The Realme 15 Pro will pack a 144Hz Hyperglow 4D Curve Plus display with a 6500 nit brightness and Gorilla Glass protection. The Realme 15 Pro will be 7.69mm thick, and under the hood will be a 7000 mAh battery with 80W charging support. The phone comes with Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 with up to 12GB plus 512GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.